So guys, I'm going to show you how to install the new Escalade lights on a Suburban, Tahoe or Yukon. It's pretty easy, so let's do it. I'm still doing my swap. So there is a, you have to take a 7mm screw, I mean 7mm socket, and there's 1, 2, 3 bolts. 3 bolts on one side and 4 bolts is on the other side. I don't even know why it does. And let's disconnect the tail light. So it's right here. Well, it's no, it's right here. This is for the rear sensors, and this is for the lights. So just push on it, kind of pull it. With one hand it's kind of hard to do it, so just like it. So it's 1, 2, and then 3. But on this side it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I have no idea why it's like this. Okay. Yeah, mine is broken. Pull it out. One more screw is on top. Oh, there is one more here, so it actually was hiding under the light. Right here. So it's total 4. Kind of like snake, kind of. There is a 1, 2, 3. 3 clips are holding it. So what I will do next, I'll get a bucket with a towel and like water. I'll clean up this place. And I need to change this piece, because through here I think I have a leak. See? That's what I'm talking about. So you're cleaning up. Let's get that piece that filled out. And I guess this is the new taillight. It says right side. This is the taillight. Comes with the resistor and the spare of plastic stuff. If it breaks down, like sometimes it like breaks down here, so it's a replacement part. Plastic. after we took the front plastic, we need to install the resistor. The resistor plugs right here. There is a 3M, so make sure when you're buying it on a eBay or something, you specify that it goes for actually Suburban or Tahoe, because or Yukon, because there is a different resistance with an Escalade, and this is not the original Escalade, so you push it until it clicks. I think I should. I'll put it right here. Okay, pull it. Let's install it. So get the plastic piece out a little bit. So there is 1, 2, 3 clips that you have to align to right here. 1, 2, 3, and also 2 pins. 2 pins right here. So put your wiring in. So there are 1, 2, 3 pins, 3 clips and 2 pins right here that you have aligned at once. Just like so. So it looks aligned, there is no gaps or anything. And put your screws back. So now you see it's like right here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So everything is aligned. So first of all, just put them in, but like don't tie it hard enough. One more is on top. So after, just go ahead and tie it, but don't tie it all the way. Just leave some room to like wiggle around if it's needs to be. So snugly, and then close your tailgate. Make sure it's not rubbing anywhere. Looks good. Good gap. So now we need to tie it. Don't tie it so hard, because this plastic is like flimsy or cheap. Okay, so take your plastic, and here you go. And the last thing, you have to go under the truck again and connect your wiring. So here's new wiring. Just enough of wire. Okay. So here we go. New taillights.